Welcome to Advisor Build Overview. For this release, I will be showing you the new Management Zone template tool along with assigning the template to a block. Also, we will look at the new role assignments under the user account and setup, the new data exchange and services, and then take a look at the new sampling activity report added under soil management. We will finish up with looking at the planting variety map available for selection in Map Book Preferences. Let's get started by selecting Map Layers, Field Management Templates. Management zones were previously created for each block. When changing block boundaries and/or archiving a block, management zones needs to be adjusted or recreated. We have improved the process by implementing field-level management zone templates. Now, if you change your block shape, the available layers will automatically adjust. If you archive a block, the templates will still be available when you create your new block, and all you need to do is associate the template to the block. Moving over to the right, we have Management Zone Templates slider. This slider contains your existing management zones, which are still available for selection and use in any new management zone templates you create. To create a management zone template, use the import buttons at the bottom of the window or by selecting the Layer tab. On the right, select Datasets. Using the drop-downs, we can select different datasets as well as different layers. We will make our selection, then choose from the available layers by checking the box and clicking Select. All the tools are available as before to work with the zones. After the layer is created, we'll move back to Zone, enter our description, and then select Save. Now let's move over to Setup, Field and Blocks. After selecting the block, we see that a Management Zone drop-down has been added. Selecting the drop-down, we find the management templates that have been saved. A different management zone may be selected for each block within the field. Once you have selected a management zone, select Save. The management zone saved to the block will act as the default to be used in areas of the program where the layer can be selected, such as crop planter and VRA planting. If you use more than one management zone, make sure to save each one so the layer will be generated for use. Next, let's move to Setup, Security, Internal Users. In addition to assigning internal users as fieldmen and applicator, advisor administrators can now flag scouts and/or samplers. This new functionality allows for accurate identification of each user and filters the drop-downs within Advisor and Vision to present only the applicable users for that activity. Check the boxes that you would like to assign to the user. Once saved, that user will be displayed in the appropriate list. All internal users that are currently flagged as fieldmen will be automatically checked as a scout and sampler. A data exchange checkbox has been also added. Advisor administrators can assign internal users permission to utilize the data exchange feature available on both Advisor and Vision. The new data exchange checkbox allows the user to import data via Advisor or the Safari web version of Vision. This is a convenient way for users to transfer data. Once the data has been uploaded, it can be viewed and/or downloaded within Services Data Exchange. Let's move over to Crop Management. Here I just want to point out that Catalog has been changed to Field Analysis. No change was made on how it's used. It was just a name change to provide a more concise description. Moving to Soil Management and then Reports, we see a new report added called Sampling Activity. This report will assist in tracing the status of sampling orders and lab results. Setting the search criteria and then get report, we see the available information on the report that includes the grower, farm, field, order number, date released, date completed, number of sites, along with sites with lab data associated with them. The last item we'll cover is the ability in map layers preferences to add a planting variety map. To add, just select Activity Map, Planting, then enter a name and select Variety Map under Type. Once you save, you then can create a map book with the planting information. This concludes the build overview. If you would like additional training, please call support at 866-236-7435 or email us at support.cdms.net. To view more videos, search CDMS on YouTube.